Grand Cherokee L. Roadkill Nights returns. Mack Plant Tour. All right now on Stellantis Spotlight. The Jeep Grand Cherokee is breaking new ground with its first ever 3-row iteration, the Grand Cherokee L, which will soon be rolling into dealerships. As the most awarded SUV ever, the Grand Cherokee now delivers even more legendary 4x4 capability, with superior luxury and comfort, and next-generation features and technologies in the all-new 3-row lineup. Pricing for the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L has a starting US MSRP of $36,995 for rear-wheel drive vehicles, and $38,995 for 4x4 models. Prices exclude $1,695 destination. The lineup consists of 4 models: Laredo, Limited, Overland, and Summit, and is being built at the new Detroit Assembly Complex Mack plant in Detroit. Back for the 6th year is Roadkill Nights Powered by Dodge. The high-octane event opens Saturday, August 14th at the M1 Concourse in Pontiac, Michigan. This year's event will feature a series of exhilarating and interactive experiences, including thrill and drift rides in Dodge Challenger and Charger SRT Hellcats, and a full day of sanctioned legal street racing on historic Woodward Avenue. For those unable to attend, a livestream feed can be viewed across Dodge brand social media channels, as well as Motor Trend's on-demand and YouTube channels. You can find event updates and ticket information at hotrod.com/events/roadkillnights. And finally, we are proud to build the all-new 3-row Jeep Grand Cherokee L in the heart of the Motor City. With an investment of $1.6 billion, we converted 2 existing facilities and added another in less than 2 years to create the first new manufacturing facility in Detroit in 30 years. Hear the story of our 100-year history at the Mack site and take a tour at Stellantis4Detroit.com. Those are this week's top stories on Stellantis Spotlight. Reporting for Stellantis Digital Media, I'm Peter Spezia.